Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one because I finally get to open these two parcels that I got from a brand called Cocunat. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure, but they've literally been in my room collecting dust for too long, so I'm so happy to finally open them on camera. I basically came across this brand thanks to Instagram. As always, I feel like they found me more than I found them. I basically got this ad about this free discovering kit, you know, just a kit full of samples by this brand, and I was intrigued. So I clicked on it. I had to pay £5 or something for the shipping, and so I did. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna test this out, I'm gonna make a video out of it, it's gonna be fun. And then after I did that, I got an email with a gift card of 30 bucks to spend on their website, and so I went ahead and got something else. And you know, in classic Instagram made me buy it, we are gonna open this parcel today and I'm gonna basically review the brand. I'm not gonna be able to try all the different samples in this video, and so I feel like I will give you an overall review about whether I think it's worth it or not, and then I can keep you guys posted in the comments if I like the products. Yeah, with that being said, let's just go ahead with the unboxing, shall we? Okay, so like I mentioned, I got two parcels. I think I'm gonna start with this flat one though, because I think the samples are in here and I'm very excited. Okay, are we ready? This is very cute. Like, can we just pause for a sec? These are very cute. Okay, so it says, say hello to your Cocunat discovery box. Try Cocunat's best awarded treatment cosmetics. We are the only brand that is truly sustainable and toxic free. Enjoy a selection of best-selling skincare, body care and hair care cosmetic for free. In addition, $30 will be added to your Cocunat account as a credit towards the next purchase. You can buy whether to choose from Cocunat in the next 20 days. Okay, this is definitely very cute and I'm very excited to dive in. Also, I remembered correctly, they are a Spanish brand. It says made with love in Barcelona. If you guys are Spanish and you know about this brand, definitely let me know in the comments how to pronounce it. Anyway, I think we should just take everything out of the box. Okay, there's a little leaflet that says Cocunat Discovery Box. I think it's gonna explain what's in the box. It also says can me to know more. Then we have a deodorant that will change your life. Aluminium free, bacteria neutralizer, only safe ingredients. That is very interesting. Also, from the look of it, it's like a soft deodorant, like it looks like a cream. That is gonna be very interesting to try, not gonna lie. And in the back they also explain you a bit of the product. I am intrigued. It says one application for up to 7 days free of any odor. You can work out and shower without having to reapply. What is this? I'm definitely intrigued and will definitely use this and test it. I'm not really a believer of that, but you know, who knows, maybe they are speaking the truth. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a very unique, I guess, thing, and I'm quite excited to try it out. Then moving on, we've got these repair your hair from the very first application. I'm assuming is a shampoo and conditioner, maybe? So it's called Savoir, and it's the ultimate hair treatment to completely rebuild and repair damaged hair. So it repairs hair structure, eliminates frizz, and 9 people out of 10 are satisfied with it. That is very interesting. So you get 2 little samples. One says fixer and the other one says smoother. All the instructions are in the back of these things as well. Tell you what, this is very interesting, and I'm always looking forward to something to like fix my hair or make it look healthy and stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna try that out. And then moving on, we got body care essentials. Okay, so we got an extraordinary oil and a body mousse. Can I just say, the packaging, I feel like they're killing the aesthetic here. I'm really intrigued. And just like a sample pack like that, it makes you want to try the product. I love a good packaging and they're definitely doing a great job. So yeah, very excited about this shoe as well. Also, if you guys been following me for a while, or like you know me in person, you would know that I love samples kits, or like just samples in general. I'm a big fan. Then next up we got probably the biggest sample thing, and it says discover the treatment range. So okay, we got 6 samples in here. Enjoy a holistic experience to take care of your skin intensely. Alright, so we got some wonder mask for a perfect no filter skin. Then we got another thing that's called the Architect, and it says empowering your eyes, and then the Cure transforming oil. So yeah, very intrigued. So far I would definitely recommend getting this box. These products are quite like unique in a sense, and it's worth to pay like £5 something for the shipping, I believe. I was definitely expecting some foundation and blush, I think, because that's what I've seen from the Instagram post, but what I got is mainly hair care product, skincare product and body care product, which I'm not complaining. I am quite intrigued to try all these out, but I was expecting some makeup product as well. But yeah, anyway, I'm also very excited to open this other parcel that I got from them. I still don't know why up to these days when I film this type of videos I don't bring a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife with me. I got this one with a $30 gift card, as I mentioned previously. Also, I was able to use a gift card for the shipping as well. When I went to do the checkout and I added the gift card, I literally had to pay 0.0 for it, which was very exciting. So this is the parcel. Again, it says made with love in Barcelona, and then it says we take care of our planet. Everything in this box is 100% recyclable, which, you know, is always good. And then we have a lot of these white thingy, which I know that I'm gonna regret doing this because I have to clean all the mess, but oh well. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Ooh, wait, there's something else in the box. Okay, you know what? So, what is this? Alright, so we have another sample of the Wonder Mask Perfect No Filter Skin. I love the fact that they give you a sample even if you order a simple product. I was not aware of that. Also, this one says it's Beauty Shortlist Award 2020 winner. So that is quite exciting. So what I got is an eye cream, under eye bags, dark circles, ultra hydrating. This is how it looks like. I am very much a fan of the packaging. I really like their logo. So let me just open this and see how it looks like. Okay, very excited for this. I love a good eye cream, and the applicator is definitely what got me. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll definitely do a little close-up, but the shape is literally perfect to apply an eye cream. It feels very fresh, which I love. It smells very good as well. I am definitely a sucker for a good eye cream. It feels really nice. It goes on very smooth. It smells, like I said, very good, and it also leaves you a very nice finish. I don't know if you can tell, but my arm is literally glowing and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so final thoughts. I am pleasantly surprised and I would recommend Cocunat. I think it's nice to try out new things. Overall, it's worth it because at the end of the day you only pay for the delivery and then you get all this stuff for free pretty much. So yeah, would definitely recommend. I'm super excited to try out all the bits in the discovery box, and this is definitely gonna be my go-to eye cream from now on. I am not getting paid to say any of this. I purchased this with my own money and I decided to make this video. No one told me to make this video, but like I said, I'm really happy and excited to try this product. And so far Cocunat is getting a big thumbs up for me. If you guys want any updates, I can definitely, you know, write a comment once I try this product, but for now I'm very pleased with it and I really hope you guys will give it a go. Of course, I'll link the discovery box down below if you want to purchase it yourself. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what you think. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday and a main channel sort of video every Friday. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!